Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. We're back with another brand new arrival. Super stoked to walk you guys through this one as well. This is a 2027 Starcraft SV18 outboard. This boat is powered with a Yamaha Show VMAX 115 horse engine. So this is Yamaha's high output engine. So in an 18-foot platform, this boat is absolutely going to scoot. It's a ton of fun. You guys have to come check it out. Back here on the transom of the boat, you will have your integrated ski tow bar. So whether you're pulling tubers, skiers, wakeboarders, this boat really is an all-around good lake boat. So it's really, really versatile. So as you'll notice, as we make our way through the cockpit, you have this really nice sea decking throughout the entire boat. Here at the helm station, you are going to have your stereo system head unit, as well as your digital tachometers, as well as your navigation lights, docking lights, bilge pump, and your radio switch. You will have speakers throughout the entire boat. And one of my favorite parts about the SV18 is just the open layout. So this entire boat is just a one big social zone. So in a lot of other bow riders out there, you will have a windshield that will separate either the bow from the cockpit, and you don't have that in this boat. So like I said, it's just one big social zone. Surprisingly, this boat will actually hold 11 people, so you can pack all your family, friends, and pets with you on the water. So guys, this is a really good starter boat for the money. So you guys have to come check it out at MarineMax Lake Lanier. If you're interested, visit us at marinemax.com, or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, visit us here at MarineMax Lake Lanier in Bald Ridge Marina.